Hi friends, welcome to TurboSight channel. In this video, we'll show you how to stream an RTMP feed from TBS28XX Encoder series directly to YouTube. We'll create a new encoding profile, enable RTMP streaming, configure the YouTube stream URL and key, and verify the stream is successfully delivered. TBS28XX Encoder series include TBS2832, TBS2824, TBS2812, TBS2808X, and TBS2804X. Let's get started. After logging into the web UI, go to the status page. Here, you can see that one HDMI program is currently running. Before configuring RTMP streaming, make sure your source is working properly. Next, go to Live Streams and select HDMI Encoder. Create a new encoding profile. In this example, we'll create a 480p profile. Configure the video parameters according to your requirements and save the profile. The new encoding profile is now available for use. Now select the running program. Assign the newly created 480p encoding profile to this program. Then enable RTMP streaming. Save the configuration. Go to the summary page under Live Streams. You can see that the RTMP stream is now active. Click the arrow icon to open the stream configuration page. Here, we'll enter the YouTube streaming information. Log in to your YouTube account. Open YouTube Studio and create a live stream. In the Stream Settings section, locate the stream URL and stream key. Copy both values. Return to the TBS encoder interface. Paste the stream URL and stream key into the corresponding fields. Go to Commit page to restart streaming engine. The encoder will apply the new configuration and start pushing the RTMP stream to YouTube. Finally, let's verify the stream. Here, we're viewing the local program using VLC. You'll notice that YouTube introduces some delay compared to the local source. This is normal for most live streaming platforms. The important thing is that the video and audio are successfully delivered to YouTube. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TurboSight.